देन ऑल्सो ठीक है 3 से 3 विल गेट कैंसिल एंड दिस विल बी 4 4 इक्वल्स टू 4 राइट। तो इसका मतलब आप किसी फैक्टर को ठीक है किसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर दीजिए मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए देन ऑल्सो इट विल रिमेन फैक्टर ओनली राइट। सो देयरफॉर ये 3 ठीक है वी विल रिमूव दिस 3 सो 3x square minus 5 why we are doing this if we will not do this then the calculation ठीक है will become difficult right। so that's why we are removing this 3 and the reason for removing is here। so 3x square minus 5 is factor of px is factor of px right okay। now let gx equals to इसको हमने क्या लेट कर लिया gx 3x square minus 5 right। tell me one thing if you have 27 right let's say you have 35 it can be written as 7 into 5 is 7 a factor of 35 yes so that means we can divide 35 by 7 right to obtain 5 similarly but we can say कि अब हम g बड़े पॉलिनोमियल को राइट px को किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं gx से राइट। now we will perform the division part we will write on dividing px by gx right okay let's start with the division। so our divisor is 3x square minus 5 right now and what is the polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square right minus 10x minus 5 now this is 3x power 4 and this is 3x square so that means we have to multiply by x square right so this shall be अब इसको इन ठीक है मल्टीप्लाई बाय बोथ ऑफ देम सो 3x पावर 4 माइनस राइट अब दिस इज x स्क्वायर तो x स्क्वायर विल कम अंडर दिस माइनस 5x स्क्वायर ठीक है रेस्ट विल रिमेन सेम चेंज द साइन प्लस विल बिकम माइनस एंड माइनस विल बिकम प्लस राइट नाउ कैंसल इट आउट प्लस माइनस कैंसल now this is plus 5x square and this is minus 2x square right and these all will come as it is so this will be 6x cube this will be plus 5 minus 2 that means plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5 right now this is 6x cube and here it is 3x square so that means we need to multiply by 2x right so this shall be 3 to the 6x cube and माइनस 10x तो वो कहाँ आएगा नॉट अंडर एक्स स्क्वायर अंडर एक्स तो माइनस 10x राइट चेंज द साइन प्लस विल बिकम माइनस एंड माइनस विल बिकम प्लस यहाँ कुछ नहीं है दैट मींस प्लस का साइन और प्लस का उल्टा माइनस नाउ दिस इज प्लस दिस इज माइनस कैंसिल दिस इज माइनस एंड दिस इज प्लस प्लस माइनस कैंसिल नाउ दिस विल कम एज इट इज एंड दिस विल कम एज इट इज दिस इज 3x square minus 5 right now to here it is 3x square and here also it is 3x square that means it will go by 1 so that is 3x square multiplied by 1 minus 5 sign change कीजिए plus will become minus and minus will become plus right cancel it out plus minus cancel minus plus cancel remainder is 0 right okay let's rub this part the only important part in this section is to understand this okay this is very it is simple just the division now what we need to do now we have got this polynomial right now we will apply the splitting middle term by splitting middle term you remember 9th class splitting middle term method splitting middle so x square plus 2x plus 1 right so we will split it by सो ऐसा नंबर जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करे तो 1 आए एंड प्लस माइनस करे तो 2 आए, राइट? वी नो व्हाट 1 into 1 will give 1 and 1 plus 1 will give 2. So it's very simple, x square plus. So this can be broken down into x plus 1, right? Take x common from this, we will get x plus 1 and here 1 is only common, so it will be x plus 1. x plus 1 यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी, so it will be x plus 1. x plus 1 gets common and what we are left with x plus 1, right? Okay. So we have factorized this now by division algorithm. By division algorithm. Right? Division algorithm क्या कहता है? px डिविडेंड किसकी इक्वल होता है? डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर, राइट? सो px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. gx is what? 3x square minus 5 और qx क्या था? x square plus 2x plus 1. Remainder was 0, so no need to write 0. ठीक है? Now, but this we have factorized into x plus 1 and x plus 1. So this can be written as x plus 1 into x plus 1, right? Now, what we are supposed to find, हमें इस polynomial के zeros निकालने थे. दो हमें already मालूम थे, ठीक है? Which, ठीक है? They are this only, and remaining two zeros will be found from this and this, right? याद करो हम लोग zeros find करने के लिए क्या करते थे? Let px equals to 0. Polynomial को क्या करते थे? 0, right? इसको हम नहीं लेंगे because this will give two zeros which we already know. ठीक है? We want to find the unknown zeros, which will be, so px will be x plus 1 and x plus 1 equals to 0, right? Now two numbers product is 0, तो एक बार इसको 0 के इक्वल रखेंगे, x plus 1 equals to 0, और एक बार इसको 0 रखेंगे, right? And this will come out to be x equals to minus 1, and here also it will come out to be minus 1. Plus 1 हो जाएगा minus 1, right? So the question is done. At last you will write, therefore x equals to minus 1 and minus 1 are two zeros of the given polynomial, right? So lastly you will write, I am writing here, so therefore x equals to minus 1 comma minus 1 are two zeros of px, right? Okay, this was the important question of the exercise. Okay, pause the video and note it down. Similar to this, there is a question in optional exercise, right? Where a polynomial is given to you, and its two zeros are known to you, and you have to find the remaining two zeros. But problem क्या है कि जैसे यहाँ पर रूट गिवन थे √5/3 and minus √5/3, ठीक है? In that question, ठीक है? Just look at optional exercise question number 4, right? There two zeros are 2 plus minus √3, right? Do not get confused with this. What it is given? ये दो zeros, right? It is written plus and minus. ठीक है? That means one time, एक time 2, ठीक है? First time में 2 और √3 क्या हो रहा है? Plus. So 2 plus √3. और दूसरे टाइम में 2 और √3 क्या हो रहे हैं? Minus. 2 minus √3, right? So as we have done in this question, तो हम बोलेंगे x equals to एक रूट ये रहा, एक जीरो ये रहा और एक जीरो ये रहा, right? So these two zeros are there, ठीक है? Then we will proceed in the same way. इसको उधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, इसको उधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, and they will become factors, right? So you will solve these two questions. Okay, now come to question number 4. In question number 4, what is given? हमें, ठीक है, in previous question हमें polynomial given था, right? और dividend given था और divisor given था, right? And we were supposed to find quotient and remainder. अब now the question is reversed. We are given the polynomial, right? Dividend पता है, हमें divisor नहीं पता, और quotient और remainder जो हमें पहले find करने होते थे, that is given today, right? So Px is given, Qx is given, Rx is given, right? We have to find Gx. So by division algorithm, Px equals to Gx into Qx plus Rx, right? Now we have substituted the value, Px की value यहाँ रख दी, Gx we don't know, Qx is this much and remainder is this much, right? Since we are supposed to find Gx, so we will shift this term that side. Do remember Gx इसके साथ multiply में है, right? It is in multiplication, right? It is not x, it is multiply, and this is in plus this. Now when you will shift this that side, ठीक है, since we need to find this, तो हम इसे क्या करेंगे, shift कर देंगे. तो ये माइनस वाला will become plus and plus 4 will become minus when it comes this side. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Shift this that side, plus 2x and minus 4 equals to gx into x minus 2, right? This is into. Now x cube minus 3x square. Now this is x and this is 2x. It will become plus 3x plus 2 minus 4. It will become minus 2 equals to gx, right, into x minus 2. And when in next step after this, what you will do? Okay, you will shift. This is in multiplication, it will go in division, right? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. When you will divide this polynomial by this quotient, by this divisor, जो भी quotient आएगा, that will be answer of, ठीक है, that will be your gx, right? Further you will do it yourself. By this, ठीक है, your this exercise gets over. ठीक है, question number 5 you will try yourself, right? And this chapter gets this chapter also gets over. Exercise 2.4, ठीक है, you will try as a homework, right? Okay. Now write some extra questions. Now some extra questions. First question. If alpha and beta are zeros of px equals to x square minus px plus q, then find the values of first alpha square plus beta square and second 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, right? Second question. What is second question? If alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial fx equals to 3x square minus 4x plus 1, then find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Third question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocal of the zeros of polynomial fx equals to ax square plus bx plus c, right? These three questions are taken. You will be solving yourself and the optional exercise, right? एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व जस्ट डू मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, ठीक है, फिर हम उसको नेक्स्ट अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे, राइट। आउट ऑफ दीज 3 क्वेश्चंस आई एम सॉल्विंग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू सो दैट यू कैन गेट द आइडिया टू हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, राइट। चलिए, सो ठीक है, वीडियो पॉज करके नोट कर लीजिएगा। Now remember one thing, for these kind of question there is only one trick. When alpha and beta, okay, when zeros alpha and beta are zeros is given, then you always has to use this trick. What? Sum of zeros. अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या होता है? माइनस बी बाय ए, एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस अल्फा इंटू बीटा क्या होता है? सी बाय ए। ऑलवेज in 90% क्वेश्चन दिस ट्रिक विल बी used. Now come to this question. Now since alpha and beta are zeros, right, before this what is the polynomial? Polynomial is x square minus p, so this is not, this is polynomial px and this is p is a number, right, so px plus q. What is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. So on comparing we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus p and c equals to q, right. Why we are finding ABC? Because we need a value of ABC here. Now we know sum of zeros, right, that is minus b by a, and this we denote by alpha plus beta, right, because alpha and beta are 0, so their sum will be alpha plus beta. Now minus the value of b is p, minus p by 1, right, so it will be p, right, minus minus plus. Now product of zeros, right, c by a, and here it means alpha into beta, c means q and a means 1, q by 1 is q only. Now after doing this, now try to understand this. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर, एंड बट वी नो अल्फा प्लस बीटा. थिंक अकॉर्डिंगली. अल्फा और बीटा के ऊपर पावर कितना है? 1 1, एंड वी नीड पावर 2 2. दैट मींस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? स्क्वायर, राइट? सो फर्स्ट पार्ट we know alpha plus beta is how much? Alpha plus beta का whole square, right? Can be rewritten as a plus b का whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2a into b, right? So alpha plus beta का whole square, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. इसमें क्या लगा है? a plus b का whole square की identity, right? Now the value of a plus b is what? P. So we will put value P. So this will be P square equals to alpha square plus beta square. This though we have to find. So alpha square plus beta square plus 2. What is the value of alpha into beta? Q. So this is 2Q. We will shift this that side. So P square minus 2 equals to alpha square plus beta square. Right? So this is the value of. So therefore, ठीक है, we will arrange this. That means alpha square plus beta square की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? P square minus 2, right? Done first part. Now come to the second part. We are supposed to find the value of 1 upon में alpha plus 1 upon में beta. We will take the LCM. This will be beta plus alpha, and LCM will be alpha into beta, right? Beta plus alpha हो या alpha plus beta, right? One and the same thing. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? P and alpha into beta is Q. So therefore the value of this is P by Q, right? Other question will be solved on this same pattern. Okay? So आप लोग try कर लीजिएगा exercise, ठीक है? In next video we will come with the solution of these exercises. Till then, ठीक है? Try the exercises. Okay. जय हिंद, जय भारत.